to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the traditional labels card workshop. And I just wanted to show you, it uses these great Christmas messages, especially this one, lovely, right? But it doesn't, it has the messages, but the die cuts are all decorative message landing places. You got banners and circles and all kinds of stuff. So in the end, this was a really simple, fast and easy card workshop. So I used those backgrounds and I stamped the message and the card is practically done. So I did use the gold heat embossing for all my messages because I thought it went really well with the foil paper in this Traditions of Christmas. And then since this didn't have any messages to images to stamp, I actually just cut these images right out of the paper. Very fast, very easy. This one's probably the most complicated one, and it's really not because it has the layers of the background. I used the white twine from the black and white twine with gold on them. And then we've got two more cards where I cut the images out of the designed paper, and you can see those here. The bouquet that's upside down and the little sprig of poinsettia. Very, very, very fun. Very cute. And one of these, I used this whole thing. Very pretty. So reserve yours now. Thank you very much. Happy crafting.